name is Sajini and I am 9 years old. I have created a program on quiz in Python. Name the mountain that separates Europe and Asia. Any guesses? Ural Mountains. River Nile lies in which continent? Any guesses? Yes, Africa. Amazon River lies in which continent? Any guesses? South America. Which ocean separates North America from Europe? Any guesses? Atlantic Ocean. Which is the largest continent? Asia. How did I do it? First, I printed. Hey, are you ready for a quiz? Then let's go ahead. You need to write the correct answer. And I gave them a hint to write all the letters in capital letters. I have set a variable and an input, which means the user can input his own answer but in capital letters and the correct spelling. If the answer is Ural Mountains, then I have printed, yes, that's right. Else, if the user inputs any other answer other than Ural Mountains, then I have printed, that's wrong. The answer is Ural Mountains. Then I have set another variable called answer2 and I have asked the user to input his answer to the question River Nile lies in which continent? If the answer is Africa, then I have printed excellent, you are cool. Else, if the user inputs any other answer other than Africa, then I have printed that's wrong. The answer is Africa. Then I have set another variable called answer3 and I have asked the user to give his answer to the question Amazon River lies in which continent? If the user inputs South America, then I have printed excellent, you are cool. Else I have printed that's wrong. The answer is South America. I have set another variable called answer4 and I've asked the user to give his answer to the question which ocean separates North America from Europe. If the answer 4 is Atlantic Ocean, then I have printed excellent, you are cool. If the answer is anything else other than Atlantic Ocean, I have printed that's wrong. The answer is Atlantic Ocean. I've set another variable answer5 and I have asked the user to give his answer to the question which is the largest continent. If the answer is Asia, then I have printed excellent, you are cool. Else, I have printed that's wrong. The answer is Asia. Python the Quizmaster! Thank you.